see here what we got. Here it is. Just put here's the old handlebars right there. Just put in a new set of handlebars. They cost me 30 bucks. New rear view mirrors. The seat cover is coming. That's expensive, man. I'm surprised. That's around about $60. But I crinkle coated the heads. Well, actually not the heads, but the valve cover. Both sides. Cleaned up the engine. It's pretty well stripped now. Primer in the front fairing. It's got a lot of sanding and a lot of work to do. And I've got the same thing on the rear trunk. The rear trunk is bad shape, but it's going to take a lot of fill and a lot of that strip there. And there's the other one. That's the top to this one. Took out all the hinges and all the latches. Going to put new latches on. I'm going to go into a boat place and get some stainless steel. They were all rusted out. Motor running good now. I put it on about 100 miles on it. My new forks are coming. They're rusted down there. I got a new set of forks for $60. That's not too bad. I put this headlight on here so I got to run around the town with it, but really don't need it. And all the rear panels, the rear luggage racks got to be stripped and redone. Gas tank, little side fairings down there. But she's looking pretty good now. And it runs just so smooth. Really, really smooth. Yep. Yep. Lights work. I have my handle here with the starter. The case broke, so I've got the case being sealed up. This is the starter here. I need to get some. Here, let's see if it'll start. Now, why won't that start? I know why it wouldn't start. Here's my throttle cables, they're unhooked. So there's essentially no throttle. Anyway, another day, another time. There you go. Kill switch was on. Pull that choke out and let it warm up. Got a sweet sound. And that choke just goes down as it warms up. When the choke gets down, there, it's warmed up. Pretty neat.